and put the number here. Okay? Mira, can you please come here? Come here. How many dots are here? One. Is this one? Okay, we will stick it here. Let us stick it. Yes, very good. Go back to your seat. Come here. Zubair, come here. How many dots are here? Two. Which one is two? Which one is two? Okay. Let us stick it here. Stick here. Stick after two. Very good. You can go to your seat. Zona, come here. How many dots are here? Three. Which one is three? Yeah, stick it here. Very good. You can go back to your seat.